Alright, we're actually going to have a go at firing this thing up. We've just fit the battery and replaced all the earth leads and things and whatnot, and the clamps. The battery clamps were terrible. We've not got the airbag thing in there. That means that's not ever going to go off in his face at the moment. It'll all get put back on when it gets on the road, of course. The airbag light may come on. Be interesting to see if we get that traction control light on, like what happened before when we was driving it back. Like I say, the wiring system in this thing was pretty bad. I had to do a lot of repair work in the engine bay with the wiring system on this. You got the key there, have you? Alright, stick her in ignition and see if it does anything. If not, this might be a very short video. Oh, that's a good sign. At least we've got dash lights. Got a bit of fuel in there as well. That's nice. Everything is all good.
Fans are blowing.
The fans work. That's good. Battery and all lights on. That's cool. Blowing bulbs. Right, well, because they're missing. No headlights on the front. Door locks are messing up. Did you just cycle that?
Yeah.
All right. We have got the ABS lights not on. Well, it is on now. Oh no, it's gone off. It's done its check and it seems it's good.
Let's try it.
Airbag lights on. Go on, try it. Wow, that's quite impressive, isn't it? It's not been started up for how long?
Sweet.
Keep in mind we've also drained the diesel tank on this twice. Because then we filled it up and then we needed the fuel again for something else, so we drained it again.
Nice.
See if it moves. Put it into reverse and see if it moves.
Tries to move.
Take the handbrake off then and try it.
Just a sec, let me get a bit more comfy here. My boots catch on the steering rack in this thing, which is quite nice.
The brakes are seized on a bit. At least it's freed him up. You jump out. Go on, give it a go. There's nothing. Well, there's nothing there to catch. Let me get my head torch working. There we go. I'll tell you what. I'll go to the back of the van and make sure that there's nothing there. There's a few things here it might rub against, but oh shit! He's got his light on. Look. Go on, then, Ali. We've got the flashing beacons on the roof. Ah, that's brilliant, that lot. Yeah, she's a moving vehicle again. Brilliant stuff. Go on.
My boots do actually get caught here.
Your boots get stuck.
Yeah.
I have to wait. I'll have to wait. Drive it with flip flops on.
Yeah, that's better.
I love how the steering column is actually polished. Where
look though, it's
previous
like
yeah, I know.
Yeah. It will actually push over and touch that.
I can see. That's brilliant. That. It's a plastic pedal, isn't it? It's fully plastic, isn't it? That.
All plastic.
Wow. Can't even bend it out of the way.
Electric windows.
Oh, the windows are working. Wow. Brilliant. You get a nice audible click when it's closed.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Let's have a look at that engine, make sure nothing's spitting out anywhere or leaking. Bit of a judder there, I don't know what that was all about. AC compressor is, the old refrigeration compressor is there. Oh, it looks like we haven't got any. We've got an exhaust leak somewhere. I don't know where that's coming from. It's all looking good. There's no diesel leaks or anything. We did actually snap one of the diesel lines off on this, but it looks to be all right. lights. You got a wet arse?
No, that's worked pretty well.
Oh, that's good. Sweet. What was that? Something just fell off. Water bottle maybe. Cool.
No ABS light on.
No, yeah, I noticed. Yeah,
Sweet, that is.
all of my wiring has been a success. All of this repair work, which was for the ABS pump, I do believe. I had to resolder it all together.
Yeah, most of that was worn through.
All of it was worn through. That's the one that was melted.
There's that's nice.
Yeah, there's a nice
Chunk.
yeah,
Have to sort that.
where it's chafed on the cable. Yeah. Cool. I can't believe it fired up as well as it did.
Yeah.
Oh, very impressive. Fiat engines, they are good engines. Fiat engines are. You guys know I do like my Fiat stuff. Right then. Let's try and get this thing turned around, shall we?
Right.
I need to move a BMW out of the way first. That's not been run for about 3 weeks. Alright.